Come. We'll kiss the lady in the center.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Excuse me, Madhura.
How are
When?
Ma'am, you right first. Ma'am, right?
Okay, I'm moving out now. And once you're done with him, no, then I want a picture with
Sir,
you.
थोड़ा center. Sir, right.
माधव सर
Sir, right first. क्या?
माधव सर इधर माधव सर
Sir, right.
इनके 6 लोग हैं यार, सब प्यार से देखा।
इसके बाद आएगा।
ये ले।
हाँ,
अभी
right
मुझे
में
बताओ कब आना है अंदर?
इसकी भाग
Close call.
आपके लेफ्ट साइड थोड़ा
अच्छा इसकी शादी है। Thank you. Thank you. Wow. That looks.
Well, thank you so much, Madhu. Powerful punch as a boxing coach in Salak Khadoos. He's the one who's gone through extreme physical transformation to look the way he's looking right now. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome with a huge round of applause the very hot, sexy, sassy Oh my God. And of course, we have to welcome Nari sir. And also we have Vinodini with us, the editor of Health and Nutrition. Alright, you're on the cover, you're looking so nice, you're looking like this very Sylvester Stallone kind of look. How do you feel?
Yeah, Stallone is terrible. You might. Oh my God! This man has now become my most favorite gentleman.
I think I like him. He's just so ekdam rusty man. You're looking very nice.
Thank you. Yeah, I see you're a Stallone fan, and
Yeah, I am.
so am
I'm
I.
Rocky.
But it feels good. It feels great. They just asked me a question upstairs, saying how difficult was it to get into that shape. But when I had an extraordinary story like that, a script like that, it took me a year, but I didn't quite realize how tough it was. It was just taking it one day at a time and thinking about the story and thinking about the release. And when I finally reached it, it was like, oh wow, it's done.
Okay.
So I think for me, The Painkiller is a great story.
Alright.
Yeah.
But tell me, how much time did you take to actually make and transform that body? Because we always know you this lover boy who's done like good intelligent films and with like fantastic scripts. You're an actor, you know. Suddenly we see you like as a star, as this He-Man coming out.
See,
How
that's
do you feel?
very upsetting, yeah. You know, first
I think I
you
love
only
the
looked
fact
at you as an actor, but I thought I was always a star. But anyway,
No, I think you're an actor who has a star appeal.
thank you. No, the tough part was first to learn boxing, and then the director called me and said, "You're not doing any boxing in the film, so you have to pad." So we had to unlearn boxing and learn how to pad, which is what the coaches do. And then after that, I realized that I was not an active boxer, so I had to have a physique which looked like a retired boxer, which is not as many veins and nerves popping out, but just larger size that happens over years of average use, but somebody who's had a great physique before. So I just built up in size, and that was tough. I couldn't brush my teeth in the morning. It used to be a great feeling. Now I can, but at that time I
So
couldn't.
you mean to say you're a little toned down now?
A lot. Yeah, I'm not half as close to what I was.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
We have the entire media faculty who's present with us.
Right.
Hi, I'm going to tell you, shoot up some questions, and the actor and the star is right here to answer all of them. Can we go?
Hi, Mandan.
Hi.
When people talk about health, it's usually the physical health. In such a competitive and demanding profession, how do you keep your mind healthy?
It's a very, very relevant very appropriate and probably one of the smartest questions I've heard in a long time. Yeah, because health is a combination of both. Physically, how fit you are, and mentally, how stable you are. And it's that stability that probably contributes largely to how successful and where you are in life. And when I say successful, I don't necessarily mean how big a star you're on, how much money are you asking for. I mean the kind of satisfaction with which you go to bed at night. Okay, and that is very, very important. So for me, it was a lesson that I learned. I went to a place in Austria where I had to learn first about my body before I went into something like that, because when you go into quick bodybuilding and want to put on muscles, there are repercussions to an effect like that. Your body is not used to building up that kind of muscle. So what will happen is it'll start shutting down parts of your body, which is not good. Your hair starts to fall. You get wrinkles on your face and stuff like that. When you want to do it the natural way, that's probably the best. The only disadvantage is it takes a long time. So you really have to bite the bullet and say, I'm not going to do anything for a year. Mental health is extremely important, because the one thing that I learned in Austria is, we've heard it, they said, sir, you're paying us a lot of money and you've come a long way for us to teach you what we've learned in India, where they say you are what you eat. And I could just speak for 10 hours right now on the importance of the food you eat and how it has a direct implication on your mental health. And if you ask me, the best way to get that stability is to eat right, without a doubt. Without a doubt. I mean, there is no question about it. And I have enough studies done in that field to know that it is very important to eat right to be mentally stable as well.
Yes.
Hi, Madhu.
Hi.
Okay, so we know you had to beef up and gain a lot of weight for the film Sala Khadoos. But were you a gym person before Sala Khadoos?
Unfortunately, yes. I was in the NCC. Then I got selected to be a part of the defense. So we were always training. And what happens when I said unfortunately is that when you keep training the wrong way, fatigue sets in. And when the fatigue sets in, you also tend to put on a lot of weight after that, because you just give up. You just say, let me relax, enough of the gym. So it took me a long time to learn that you should always get out of the gym 15 minutes before you think you're slightly tired, and make that as a part of your lifestyle. So all those things weren't taught to us. In the army, you just run blindly. So I've always been a gym person. So it was thankfully because of that experience I was able to do what is required for this film.
Are you planning to maintain this physique?
If I'm playing, my next film is, I'm allegedly, right now that we're talking about, is Encounter Cop. So I need to be really, really thin. Really thin. So, sorry, is that you? I don't know who asked the question. They're flashing, so I can't. Sorry about that, ma'am. Yeah. I need to be lean, very, very lean. So I will not be maintaining this for long.
All right. I want to ask something.
Sure.
You have been so away from controversies. We've not heard any controversies about you. We've heard controversies about everyone. Just name it. I don't want to name who's who. But why is that? Is it something below?
Absolutely. I'm very clever. Nobody finds that.
So matlab kuch to hai. So that means that the entire media is here. They are going to make sure that they,
I hope they do. I'm having a very, in my opinion, my PR department is right here, and they keep saying that you have an idiotically boring reputation. So please have a couple of affairs and some stuff. So I'm saying, find somebody. Let's do that.
But how? How is that? Like what? Because by default, a lot of actors get into some controversy or some sort of social media controversy, personal controversy. How is that you have?
Why aren't you having an affair? That's what she wants to know.
Exactly.
Going round and round in circles.
So I'm coming back to the first answer, which is I'm clever, and I have all the vices that any normal person must be having. And it's just that I'm trying to build up an exciting image over here. Okay, so please help me with that.
Okay.
But
what we know of you is you.
No. I got to be honest with you. It's not easy. You're always very tempted.
It's not easy not to have an affair, or it's not easy not to get caught?
It's not easy not to have an affair. It's also not easy not to get caught. But when you're out on a foreign tour, you're shooting in. I know exactly how it happens. 15 days. Yeah, we're shooting in Switzerland, and the heroine has come with her mother, and and for the first 3 days everybody's behaving themselves, and then after that, when everything closes at 7 o'clock in the evening and there's daylight till 11 o'clock, the demons come out. You're all like, hey, and I know somebody will say, hey, Maddie, let's go for a walk, and I know it's never going to be only a walk. It's going to be.
Oh my God.
So it's
Will you
either,
go for that walk or not?
you
I
know,
just hope yes.
yes, I do. Yeah, I do. I do go for those walks. The only thing is, there's a lovely saying, a dialogue in Devil's Advocate that Al Pacino keeps saying is, look but don't touch, touch but don't taste, taste but don't swallow. And when you're hopping from one foot to the other, wondering what to do, God is having a cosmic laugh, you know. So it is good to see how much of a Vishwamitra you can be. But then over a period of time, I realized it's not a good deal to do. So so I want to only say that and end it over there.
So nothing culminated out of that long walk.
Hey, you know what? Let's meet and I'll tell you all the story. But right now, not in front of the media.
But tell me, is there any rumors that you have heard about yourself and
Yeah.
you found very funny or like weird about? Because I have not even heard any rumors about you.
Yeah, Prasin kuch kar yaar.
No rumors. Any kuch suna hai?
No, I think that I'm a very nervous guy. Okay, so I'm my life revolves between one film to the other, and when I'm in that one film, I'm obsessed as it is. So in the interim period, I'm so nervous that I don't, I barely go out for parties or. And I'm being a homebird, I just love to be at home, kind of lazing around. So it has come to that level that my wife also says, it's time you go out and be seen some places around here. You're not standing. So I think my build-up maybe I have been there, done that a lot. I've been in Bombay for 20 years, from the time I was a television actor and was doing really well for himself. So I've seen a lot of those partying and fun, and maybe I'm trying to find something else now.
Okay, so now actually you're very serious about your work, and work is what matters to you. Right?
Yes, it does.
Nothing
It
else.
does.
Can I just take some more questions here,
Do you
please?
still get offers from this sound?
Oh yes. What do you mean? So that is my bread and butter, and this is my dessert and pudding. But yes, I do. In fact, I am doing 2 films in the South this year. Yeah,
Yes.
ma'am.
Hi. What kind of diet did you follow to supplement your workout during the making of Salad?
You know what? I'm going to actually come out with a video, I think, which is going to tell everybody. I'm a vegetarian, all right, and there was no extra protein supplement or anything extra that I took for the physique. The disadvantage and advantage is that when you have high density muscles, then your nerves also need to make up for that. Also, when you go to sleep at night, one part of your body will go to sleep, will get up with pain and not be able to move that because it's gone numb, because the nerves have got pressed. So the diet that I maintained was I ate normally. The only thing that I would changed about my normal diet was that I wouldn't eat food after 6 o'clock in the evening. So I would sleep at 10, that was guaranteed, and about 6 o'clock I would not eat anything raw or any food after 6. That was the only change I made. But otherwise, no extra meat, no extra protein, no extra supplements, nothing. And it really worked because the body actually adapts to what you're doing physically during the day. So they had it was a great learning experience, I remember, because he said, I said, I'm going to work out, I need to put on muscle, should I eat more protein? He said, the most muscular animal in the forest is the ox. The only thing it eats is grass. And he says, there is enough protein in every food you eat for the body to absorb it if you want it. But the body has to decide that you want it. If you were saying protein shakes are going to give you muscles, then you should just drink 8 glasses of protein shake in a day. You should become muscular. But that doesn't happen because the protein is not required for the body. So those are very interesting things that I learned. And my diet had not changed at all.
Oh my God, you're such a perfect example for health and nutrition.
Yay!
Wow. Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Hi.
The film Sala Cruz, it took 2 years for the film to be taken by somebody. So what was the struggle like?
Oh, like it was for Tanu Veds Manu or Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein, all these films. What happens is, one of the reasons that I keep absenting myself from the industry is I spent a lot of time with people who are not part of the film industry. Like I golf, I would go out for rides with the rickshaw guys and just chat to them. And I just realized that over the last 10 years, the audiences have become much more intelligent than the actual industry people in terms of the kind of stories that were coming to me. We're still stuck with a lot of old formulas that work for us, but the youngsters, now if I sit and explain to them that I'm sitting beside this girl and I'm just holding her with one finger and that's got to be romance, the 13-year-old guy is like, come on man, seriously, he's having more fun on the WhatsApp than I'm having with the girl over here. So it is the whole journey of trying to convince producers saying, no, this will be accepted by the audience. They're smart enough to do, because they all want to tell us, yes, like when we did Tanu Veds Manu, People didn't want to touch it because they said, यार ये तो 1980s की film लग रही है. There's no शीला की जवानी, no मुन्नी बदनाम हुई, no six pack. The film stayed in the can for 8 months after being made, and nobody would touch it. It's only that suddenly one person saw it and they said, wow, actually it's got potential, and then they released it, and the rest is history. So the same thing happened with Sala Khadus also, because every time I would say it's about a female boxing, वो तो बहुत यार, actually it took 4 years. So they used to keep saying, यार तो अभी आ रही है मैरीकॉम आ रही है आपके लिए, वो हो गया, अभी लेडी बॉक्सिंग के साथ कौन देखेगा सर, आप हीरो नहीं हो पिक्चर में, फिर क्या फ़ायदा, गाने हैं नहीं हैं तो, एंड न्यू लड़की, अच्छा मतलब, so answering all those questions and assimilating all that and convincing people. Finally, I went to Raju because he's a friend, not because he was a great, he's a great director and producer. But when he saw my face, he asked me, I narrated the story to him, and that's how he came on board. Varna, this film wouldn't have been made.
So which film are you more closer to, Tanu and Tanu or Sala Khadus?
Well, yaar, I'm a producer on Sala Khadus, so definitely Sala Khadus.
But which is your favorite film as an actor?
I would say Sala Khadus right now. Yeah.
Ah, okay. He's a producer talking here.
Yes.
रिसेंटली अभी मैं संजय दत्त क्या कुछ मूवी वगैरह की प्लान चल रही है, ऐसी खबरें भी आ रही थी?
देखिए, जो भी संजय के यहाँ जाते हैं उनके साथ तो फिल्में बन जाती हैं अभी. नहीं, अभी ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. He's like a brother to me, so, and he's been a great support. So I enjoy spending time with him, and he's got enormously exciting stories to tell us right now. And the evenings are spent just listening to those stories.
जैसे कि आज बजट भी रिलीज हो रहा है, तो क्या एक्टर्स की लाइफ में भी बजट का असर पड़ता है?
यार बहुत पड़ता है यार.
I know, मैं वही बोलने वाली हूँ.
हाँ, मतलब सर्विस टैक्स बढ़ गया कि नहीं, अभी वो क्या टैक्स आ गई है, सब बिल्कुल पड़ता है. बट मुझे हमेशा लगता है कि जो आपका फ़र्ज़ है वो निभा दीजिए, फिर आप ज़िंदगी आराम से जी सकेंगे. आई एम ऑलवेज ऑफ द ओपिनियन दैट यू माइट, it's best first to follow the rules and then show whether you like it or not. That's a different deal, but it's best to follow it first.
क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं बजट से?
क्यों यार, सारा टैक्स काट दें हम लोग के लिए, बोले ज़ीरो टैक्स, और वो बोलें कि यू नो, जिसको जैसे दुबई वगैरह में होता है कि इट्स अ यूजर्स टैक्स, you keep your income and you just pay tax for whatever you buy or use. That I think would have been a smart thing. But I'm an actor who has no financial experience, so it's said with that cautionary warning.
You always wanted to become an actor, or
No. In fact, when I came to Bombay, I didn't even think I had it in me to be an actor.
Okay.
I was teaching. I had a consultancy. I used to teach public speaking, communication skills, and basically from personality development.
Oh wow.
And that's how I started off. And one of my students came and said, "Sir, अगर आपको legal money चाहिए जल्दी से, तो आप ये modeling कर लो, आपको पैसे मिल जाएंगे. You can set up your own office. You don't have to keep hiring buildings." And that's how it started. I went with a few photographs to ZTV office, and one lady called Almaz, who I'll never forget, took those pictures. And the very next day, I got an offer to do a television serial.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah, it was meant to be.
आपकी मूवी आ रही है हेलीकॉप्टर पे, उसके बारे में और थोड़ा अगर
वो आजकल के ज़माने में ना 12-13 करोड़ लोग खर्च कर देते पब्लिसिटी में, है ना. तो हमारे लिए सख्त रूल होता है कि आप ऐसे बेफजूल की बातें नहीं करेंगे, वही करेंगे जो हम आपसे कहते हैं. तो इसके बारे में सही ढंग से जो है बड़े ताम झाम के साथ और फैनफेयर के साथ उसकी बातें शुरू करेंगे. सो थोड़ा टाइम दे दीजिए ना.
You know, if I give you an option, you have to choose between boxing, dancing, and romancing. What would you
What a
choose?
question, yeah.
Tell me.
Why would I want to do boxing or dancing?
Okay, dancing.
It's romancing and very
There would
easiest
be
thing
some
to
people who
do.
would just choose boxing.
They must be nuts.
Okay.
Why? Yes.
So
But
that
yeah.
means the next film that is going to come up is also going to be a romantic film.
Age-appropriate romantic film, hopefully.
Okay.
Yeah.
But can we see more of sequels of Tanu Weds Manu? Because now that 2 aa gayi hai.
I've-
4, 5, 6 ऐसे
I've told Anand that the next sequel, if it has a triple role for me, then I will do it.
Okay. Okay.
बहुत हो गया ये डबल रोल, अभी मैं करूँगा ट्रिपल रोल. अभी देखा yes, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's a sequel to 3 Idiots happening. Amit mentioned that in the event, so what's happening on that front, and have you been approached for the role?
We're always together, so I know for a fact that it's a pipe dream right now. There is
There's
nothing.
going to be a 4th Idiot.
No. What I'm saying is the sequel itself hasn't been written or thought of properly. It was a wish list, and Raju has 3 other scripts before that which he wants to finish. So by that time, I think it'll be the idiot's children who will be doing a film. I very doubt at the rate that Raju does a film once, every 5 years. So अभी तो 15 साल के बाद जो बनेगी 3 Idiots के बारे में तो देखेंगे हम. So,
Intend to direct someday?
I don't have the qualifications, nor the patience for it. I think it's a very fine art. It's personally, you have to have a trait like a driver can't afford to have sleep apnea. A producer cannot afford to have impatience, which I'm full of. So I don't think I have the technical qualification nor the personality build-up to be a director. So
Well, I like him as an actor, please.
Hey, me
Just
too.
act.
Me too.
Just act.
Totally.
Yes, I think there was, yeah.
Yeah, sorry, the lady in the black. Oh, yeah. You wanted to ask a question?
I
Yeah.
was going to ask you about the kind of roles that you're being offered in terms of Bollywood.
Thankfully now they are being widened, all-encompassing in terms of the stories being offered. I don't have the liberty to choose the kind of film I want to do, whether I want to do a comedy or an action, because the kind of scripts that I can do itself are a few and far between. But now they are becoming braver. They're actually much braver. No, because of all the other kind of films that have done well, from Piku to that is doing well. They're very different stories, not necessarily the typical hero films and dance and song numbers. Every other film is making 100 crores if it's good. Nirjana, for instance. So those kind of offers are now beginning to come, which is good, which I think is great.
I've also heard that you're very organically growing a lot of vegetables. Is that right?
Yeah.
Should I elaborate on that? Because I was a little confused whether it is right story or not.
I know it's a true story. मैंने कहा यार ये साला खड़ूस नहीं बन रहा है तो चलो फार्मर ही बन जाता
Farming यहाँ में वो कुछ वहाँ होने वाला है क्या? Because I heard that honest terrace that
MI terrace.
that actually doesn't buy vegetables from outside. He actually grows them organically on his terrace. And
yeah, it's actually very easy. And, see, one of the things, like I was saying, as an actor, you want to gather as much knowledge as possible. So there is this new process called hydroponics, which is something that you can grow. This is not organic. This is called hydroponics. So there is both. I'm doing organic as well as this, where you grow fruits and vegetables without soil. And it just grows them on water, which is a very different technology. So मेरा पूरा हफ्ते का तो नहीं, लेकिन 4 दिन का तो सबसे निकल ही जाता है.
अच्छा 4 दिन का सब्जी निकल.
Yeah.
किसी के पास सब्जी नहीं है उनको पता है कि
हाँ,
कहाँ पर सब्जी मिल
मैं
जाएगी.
बेचने आऊँगा आपके यहाँ सब्जी.
जब बॉम्बे में सब्जी नहीं मिल रही है उनके पास सब्जी जरूर मिल जाएगी. Yes, can I take one more question and then?
Yes.
Fine. So coming back to boxing, do you think it's something you like to take up recreationally? And if so, is there anyone you'd like to test your skills on?
I'm going to meet Mike Tyson. I didn't say I'm going to